how to configure the Smarther with Netatmo thermostat using the Home Plus Control app. After Home Plus Control has been downloaded, launch it and log in. When the app is first launched, it prompts you to add a device. The thermostat is at the end of the list of available devices. The app asks to activate a temporary Wi-Fi between a smartphone and the thermostat. To activate it, press and hold the button on the upper right side of the thermostat until the letters AP appear. Confirm the Wi-Fi icon is flashing blue. Now select the correct Wi-Fi to use and, if necessary, enter the password. Please be aware that Smarther with Netatmo operates on 2.4 GHz. Ensure the home's Wi-Fi network is compatible. The app scans the network and shows the thermostat that has been found. Next, select which room the thermostat is in. If the room is already set up within the app, it can be selected. Otherwise, a new one can be created. Choose a name for the Smarther with Netatmo in this room. And setup is complete. Let's try some functions. For example, we can activate the boost for 30 minutes. All the other functions managed by the app, such as how to set weekly programs, the away function, consumption monitoring and association with Netatmo smart radiator valves, will be shown in other videos in this series. Visit our YouTube channel to find out more.